Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you want to hide the sold out label on products in your Shopify store, I'll show you how to do it in just a few quick steps. So let's follow these steps together. First of all, before you start, you have to access your Shopify store account. And to do so, just go to your web browser and in the search bar, type in shopify.com. After the website appears, click on Login and enter your account credentials or create a new account if you haven't already logged in. As you can see, I'm already logged in because I already created the account. Now, the next step is to hide this label by editing the theme language. To do so, just go to Online Store here in the left hand sidebar and click on it and select Themes here. Now, once the themes menu appears, click on the three dots next to customized button and next to your current theme. Click here and click edit default theme contents here. Now, in the search bar, type sold out and find the field for this label. Select sold out. Here. Now, delete, let's see here, sold out label here. Delete the text from this field or replace it with a space. Then save. You can replace it with a space here if you don't want to write anything. And then click on the save button to keep your modifications saved. And that's it. The sold out label will no longer appear on your store. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.